Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to make migration with Realm database in SwiftUI project. So this is a simple Realm view which has observed results of type transaction. These are the items. We show that items in a list with for each. This is a total and this is customer name. As you can see here, this is that class transaction which has three properties: ID, total, and customer name. We will add here one more. We will add one more class and then one more field here. And after that, we will make migration. So current schema version is 4. You can see here this is open Realm. So this is initialization of Realm object. And this class Realm Manager, we initialize it inside our main app class. So here, inside our class that conforms to app. Okay, let's get to it. So I will just add some class, which will be, for example, user info. It will conform to object which is Realm Swift object and identifiable. Inside I will copy paste this primary key, and here we will have for example persisted var full name, so full name of type string. And now for this transaction here, I will add property persisted var user of type user info. If we now try to run this inside our emulator, we will get crash that says object property user must be marked as optional. So this is the first thing that we will do now, is mark this as optional. Try to run it one more time. In this case, we can see now property transaction.user has been added. In order to solve this, we need to update our schema version to 5. And here add some code. So I will check if old schema version is less than 5. In that case, we need to make something. And now what we can do is call migration, enumerate objects, object of type transaction.className. Here just click enter. And now what we can just do is, for example, initialize this new object with the name of the variable is user. And just a second, we need to make it here for user info, because we don't have initializer now. I need to manually set full name. And now we can edit here. And if I run this now, this will be okay, because we will successfully migrate. Our app will be working, will open. But what we can also do in this situation is fetch from old object. So we can fetch customer name from old object. Value for key, customer name as that string. If let customer name, so if it's not nil, then what we can do is, in this we need to set this full name here. But what we can use is customer name which was Jeff, and we can add something. Okay, we can, for example, just add blocks. And now add this user to our new object. Okay, I will just a second to look for the view if everything is okay here. So in this case, I will try to print our user dot full name. We can try to run this now. Okay, our build failed, so we have some problem here. New object. We also need to check if new object is not nil. I'll try to run this one more time. Again, we have some problem. Okay, here I will just add this to get rid of this error. Okay, build is successful. As you can see now, these ones here didn't have any customer name and they just got blocks. And these two that had a name, we used customer name from old object and appended it with our new string. And now we have, so these are the objects that were previously in database, and now we have with this migration we added user object to this transaction. Okay, so that's it for this quick video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in some next video. Bye bye.